In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a page in Notion. If you've been working on a project or compiling essential data in Notion, knowing how to export your work is incredibly useful. Exporting allows you to share your content or simply create a backup outside of Notion. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it, step by step. First things first, let's start by opening up Notion. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so using your usual credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the page you wish to export. Notion's user interface is generally clean and intuitive, but if you're new, take your time to locate the page from your sidebar or through the search function. After you've found your page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot the three horizontal dots commonly known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. Notion offers a versatile range of features in this menu, but today our focus is solely on exporting. From the drop-down list, you'll clearly see the Export option. Click on this, and a new window will appear, presenting you with several format choices for exporting your page. You'll notice options such as PDF, HTML, Markdown, and CSV. Choosing the right format depends on how you intend to use your exported data. For instance, if you need a professional-looking document, PDF is a great choice. Alternatively, HTML is ideal for those planning to incorporate the page into a website. Once you've decided on the format, you might see a few additional options depending on the format you selected. For example, exporting as a PDF might allow you to adjust page sizes or customize other details to suit your needs. Make any preferred adjustments here before proceeding. When you're ready, click on the Export button at the bottom of the window. This will initiate the download of your exported file to your default Downloads folder, or it will prompt you to choose a location for saving. Wait a few moments for the process to complete depending on the size and complexity of your page. This might take a little longer. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a page from Notion. Whether you're archiving your notes or sharing your work with others, being adept at exporting ensures your Notion content is as versatile as you need it to be. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.